For loops in Python. A for loop allows us to repeat a block of code multiple times. It saves us from having to write similar code again and again. In Python, a for loop consists of a keyword for, followed by a variable name, the keyword in, then a sequence of elements. The sequence could be a list, string, or any other iterable. In this example, we have a list called fruits that contains 3 elements: apple, banana, and orange. In each iteration of the loop, meaning each time the loop runs, the variable fruit takes on the value of a fruit in our list. To print all the fruits out, we only need to write the print statement once, instead of writing it multiple times with a different fruit each time. Suppose we want to calculate the sum of all numbers from 1 to 10. We can use a for loop to iterate over the range of numbers and accumulate a total. Here, we initialize a variable total to 0. Then using the range function, we create a sequence of numbers from 1 to 10, including 1, but excluding 11. The for loop iterates over this sequence, adding each number to our total. With just a few lines of code, we're able to sum up all the numbers from 1 to 10. Did you know you can also use the else clause with a for loop? The else clause can be added to a for loop and will be executed once the loop completes all iterations, except if a break statement is encountered. This can be useful when you want to perform some action after a loop finishes. In this example, the loop iterates over each number and checks if it is equal to 0. If 0 is found, the loop will end. Otherwise, the number is printed. After the loop completes, the else clause is executed, printing the message "loop completed successfully." Since there is no 0 in our list of numbers, the loop completes successfully. For loops are a fundamental construct in programming, allowing us to repeat code blocks efficiently. When we use them to process data, we ask the computer to do the heavy lifting for us. That's what computing is all about.